Hello. You are looking at a 1964 GTO that I have for sale, and I am going to attempt to do a walk around video of the car and fire the car up so you can hear it, and also attempt to put the top down, all while maintaining this video, so bear with me. It's an original GTO 389 4-speed single 4-barrel. It is starlight black, black interior, black top. It has been completely restored, frame off restoration, and it is as shiny on the underside as it is the top. It has a 390 Pontiac rear end in it, completely rebuilt, of course, Auburn Posi GM 390 gears. It currently has a 461 cubic inch Pontiac stroker motor, Edelbrock aluminum heads, comp roller cam, hydraulic roller, 850 HP Holley carburetor, billet specialties, serpentine belt kit to include the billet power steering reservoir and the billet alternator. It has a dual fan Ron Davis radiator. Currently equipped with a TKO 600 Tremec 5-speed, which makes driving with the 390 gears very pleasurable. It is again a factory 4-speed console car. It does have the factory tack. It has vintage air conditioning and an original Pontiac wood wheel. I'm going to try to get in the car now. Start the car. Bear with me as I try. You can see the tag. Vintage air. Of course, everything on the inside is brand new. While I'm in here, I am going to attempt to unlatch and put down this top. Get out now. You can hear this tiger purr. with the parade boot for the convertible top. Air controls have been converted into the factory controls on the inside. Everything has been touched. This was a very complete restoration. From the dash bezel to the dash pot metal to all the interior chrome to all the stainless being buffed out. Everything. Complete restoration. I'm going to go ahead and cut the car off and attempt to get into the trunk so I can show you just how good it looks. Comes with the factory jack, Redline spare tire. It is completely smooth and slick and black on the inside of the trunk. Everything has been restored, from new top pump, new lines, new cylinders. Again, nothing has been skipped. It is a very complete restoration. Has factory stickers on the trunk even. And the gas filler. Thank you so much for looking and bidding. The question is, are you man enough to tame this tiger? Ask yourself that question. And if you want an extremely nice 64 GTO, I believe that you will find no finer than the example you are looking at here today. Thank you for looking.